guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this high quality UHF wireless microphone from WOQED. Now I purchased this headset on Amazon for $27.99 as a lightweight solution for on-the-go recording of audio in situations where I don't want to use my more expensive microphones. I also purchased this because I needed something that was lightweight and flexible. Now this microphone should have both a transmitter and a receiver, and it's supposed to be good for use in speaking engagements, recording sessions, and PA systems for, let's say, if you're an employee at a school, or similar jobs that require you to make any kind of announcements. Anyways, we'll unbox and review this after this. Now on Amazon, this says it's being re-released with a 2021 update. So I assume there have been some improvements made internally on the quality of the product. It does say that it has an upgraded 165-foot range, which is nice, especially when you need to be standing at a distance from the receiver and whatever it's connected to. So let's start by unboxing this to see what we get. The packaging is fairly simple and has a picture of the wireless microphone on the front and some images of its potential uses on the back. What's funny is that there's no company branding or logo whatsoever. In the box, everything is packaged nicely under a dust-free plastic Ziploc bag. It comes with a thin and flexible headset attachment, and of course the wireless microphone itself, which connects to the headset attachment fairly easy through a pull-in clip system. Which, at first, I gotta admit, was a little bit tough, but gets easier over time. You also get your standard instruction and quick start manual, which in this case is a single leaflet printed on the front and back of a small piece of paper. This device is rechargeable using the included micro USB cable, and also comes with a small wireless receiver which looks a lot like a car key fob. This wireless receiver can connect to any standard audio jack and has an independent on-off switch and volume button. Also included is a 1/4 to 1/8 audio adapter in case you want to connect it to more professional studio recording equipment. And I gotta say, it does feel pretty durable and high quality. The headset and accessories are made from a plastic and flexible aluminum material and feels pretty durable, especially at such an affordable price range. Now one of the things that I like best about this kit is that the included USB charging cable is Y-split, so you can charge both the receiver and the transmitter microphone at the same time. This means less wires and ensures you are completely ready to go when charging is complete. Now what's unique about this is that although it looks and works best as a headset, this thing can detach and be used as a standalone microphone, even though it looks kind of weird. It's pretty slim and has a non-intrusive design, which is a nice feature, and I like the fact that it's rechargeable, which is always a plus. Now to test this and see how it works, I'm going to plug this directly into my camera and use the wireless microphone for the rest of this video. Now this is the WOQED UHF wireless microphone, and I'm looking to the screen on my left and I'm noticing that it only has one channel of audio, meaning that you won't get stereo sound out of this headset. So how does it sound to you guys? Let me know in the comment section below. I do like how the microphone is adjustable and the hardware does seem pretty durable. Setup was simple and I just had to plug the receiver into my camera and turn on this microphone transmitter, and that's it. Now from a range perspective, I've placed the camera with the receiver plugged into it at the front entrance of my house. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk straight to the back door of my house to see if this microphone can still pick up my voice clearly without any kind of audio being dropped. Now I won't be able to tell how well it works until I edit this video, but hopefully this $28 headset works as well as it's been advertised. So I'm going to start walking back, and it's not exactly 165 feet to the back of my house, but it's a good distance. So what do I think about this wireless microphone set from WOQED? I think the quality is actually pretty good. In fact, it's very good for an affordably priced wireless microphone. Now from a distance perspective, in all of my tests, it did not actually transmit over the 165 feet that it said it would, so there is some issues with that, and I'm not sure if that is a settings issue, but that's something I'm going to have to continue to look at. I like how you can adjust the volume and the gain of the microphone on the headset itself. Now just to reiterate, this is only a microphone and does not have an earpiece, so it's definitely not useful as a fully functional communication device. You'll still need speakers or an earpiece. But other than that, I think it's a great quality mic at a very affordable price. Anyways, thanks for checking out this video and supporting this channel. Please take some time on your way out to smash that like and subscribe button. Please also go ahead and ring that bell icon so you can get notified when I post new content. Until next time, see ya.